Hi guys, welcome to MacroCode, and today we are going to learn how to install Visual Studio 2022. So let's go to the browser. So just type in Visual Studio 2022 community version, then click download. Then you will find the link at the top. So this is Visual Studio 2022. We are going to use it for a series in learning C#. So just click download. Then you should see the file downloaded just at the left right hand corner of your screen. So right click on it, then open. Installation will begin. Continue. So the file will start downloading, and if you already downloaded, then you will see that all the files are already downloaded. For my case, I had done the downloading before. So I have actually two versions of Visual Studio Community version, 2022 and 2019, then 2022 Community version preview. So if you are doing this for the first time, then you should be able to see something like this. Let me just modify to show you. So you should be able to see a screen like this. So this is the workloads that comes with Visual Studio Community 2022. So we have ASP.NET and web development, then Python development, then .NET multi-platform app UI development, or in short name it is called .NET MAUI. Then we have .NET JS development. So these the ticked one are the ones that have done the installation. So if you want to do the installation, you can select. So this is quite important for development of web application that is using ASP.NET Core. And down here, the development of mobile apps, we will be using .NET MAUI. So you can tick that. Then we will be good to start our series. So once you tick these, down below here, you'll be able to see the total space required for the installation. So ensure your machine has enough space to accommodate the installation. Then you can click install while downloading. I prefer that than downloading then installing. So after you have done the installation, then you will be good to start creating new projects. So for today, I'll create another video for us to start creating new applications. And this is just meant for new starters on how to install Visual Studio Community version 2022. So this is my first video, guys, and I like to allow you to comment down below the kind of videos that you will want me to be doing. And I'll be happy if you also subscribe so that we start this new journey of software development and even learning together. So thank you and see you in our next video. Bye.